To send Trust Wallet Face ID login. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any compatibility issues. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device. In the Settings menu, look for the security options and select Face ID or biometric login. If you have not already set up Face ID on your device, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to enroll your face in the Face ID system. This involves positioning your face within the designated area on the screen and waiting for the scan to complete. Once Face ID is set up, return to the Trust Wallet app and select the Face ID option again. You will be asked to confirm that you want to enable Face ID for Trust Wallet. Confirm your selection to proceed. With Face ID enabled, the next time you open Trust Wallet, you will be prompted to log in using Face ID. Look at the screen and wait for the Face ID system to verify your identity. If the verification is successful, you will be granted access to your Trust Wallet account. To send funds using Trust Wallet with Face ID login, navigate to the Send menu and enter the recipient's wallet address. Specify the amount you want to send and select the cryptocurrency you wish to use. Review the transaction details carefully, including the recipient's address, the amount, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You may be prompted to authenticate using Face ID again for added security. Look at the screen to verify your identity and complete the transaction. Best practices for using Trust Wallet with Face ID login include keeping your device and app up to date, being cautious when sending funds to new or unfamiliar addresses, and regularly reviewing your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and guidelines, you can securely and efficiently use Face ID to log into your Trust Wallet account and send transactions.